Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Lucas coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 35 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 37 and a low of 28 with snow. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Aisha.
Maxwell.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports tonight. The Bulls will play the Washington Wizards at 7 o'clock. Clubs meeting today are Room 106 students from Craft Club at 11 o'clock in Room 106. First grade poetry club at 11 o'clock in Room 108. Kindergarten Poetry Club will not be meeting today. Attention 5th grade students. Applications are still available for students interested in joining the morning production team next year. We will be selecting students to attend our training sessions for this spring. If you are interested in joining production studio, permission forms are available in the library and are due this Friday. And speaking of clubs, don't forget to turn in your permission slip for the garden club. Bring them to Ms. Young in the music room. Tonight is STEM night in the Hoover Gym for 3rd grade through 6th grade, brought to you by the DuPage Children's Museum. Come to see the presentations from 5:30 until 7 o'clock. Here's another Rube Goldberg video from Max in room 105.
I'm Max Jensen, and this is my Rube Goldberg machine, and it gets a card down right across the finish line, and starts right there. It's gonna get this marble down, so it runs over to the right line, go down, come on, walking, hit train, go down the train, hit dominoes, and the domino's going to do loop-de-loop, hit a ball, go down another track, hit DVDs, hit this thing, the car's gonna go across the track and on the finish line. Now someone drop the marble.
Now a message from Mr. Smelzer.
Thank you, Lucas. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. You just saw Max in room 105 show his Rube Goldberg machine video, and guess what? We have Max right here. All right, Max is here along with everyone else. And that was a great job, by the way, Max, because we have some more puzzle pieces that have been earned. So if you could tell me which classroom, which teacher you're from. So Max, which room?
105.
Look right at the camera, 105, and your teacher is? Mrs. Mershon, all right. What room?
105.
105 again, Mrs. Mershon.
105.
You're in room 105 also?
Yep.
All right, Mrs. Mershon. What classroom?
119.
With
Miss Kelly.
Miss Kelly. And
118.
118 with
Miss Nagy.
Miss Nagy. So congratulations to all the students in those classrooms for earning their puzzle pieces. We still have about 1 week left up until, really this week, but maybe Monday as well since it's a leap year. Earn those puzzle pieces, earn those Hoover Hoorays. A couple other quick announcements. Today we have a number of guests in the building. It is Engineering Week, and today we have our guest engineers presenting. Many of them are parents in our building. So that's exciting. So be on your best behavior for our visitors. And then the last announcement I have is that Mrs. Grant will be calling students down to the office throughout the morning to do some makeup screenings for vision and hearing. So classroom teachers, please be flexible with that. And students, if you do get called, just come down to the main office. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smalzer.
You're welcome, Lucas.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that there are bus stops shaped like fruit? They are located in Japan and inspired by the pumpkin carriage from Cinderella. These juicy shelters are shaped like watermelons, strawberries, tomatoes, oranges, and cantaloupes. Who knew sitting and waiting for the bus could be so much fun? That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the first graders in room 105. Have a Willy Wonka Wednesday.